All right, let's go. Man, it's so white up here. It's like a sheet of paper, man. So somebody dog. Wait a minute. That's my dog. But
Ain't gonna lie, Big Brother, the best guard dog in the game. But he still gotta watch his back, cause shit could always get tragic. New body! Oh!
Who's flip-flop? Who's trying to live with my flip-flop? Joey, is this you?
Think about it. Just name it. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Velociraptor.
Who's the one guy you would sleep with?
John Stamos.
What? Did we just become best friends?
Good boy. It's okay. It's okay.
What is this? What is this?
Look at this distinguished